The topic we are going to discuss today is status of legal education in other countries, that is global countries. While discussing legal education in global level, it is necessary to elaborate upon what is the practice going on in other countries regarding legal education. Now we shall discuss legal education in US. Main type of law degree available in US are Juris Doctor. It is known as JD. In short form, it is known as JD, and it should be completed after 3 years of full-time study. And second law degree is Master of Laws, and third degree is the Doctor of Judicial Science, that is SJD. Applicants to have at least bachelor's degree to enter the standard law degree and the law school admission test. The first year of study focuses on basic topics like international law, criminal law, and civil procedure. During second and third year, students have to do their education which reflect their interest, taking electives in such areas as tax and business, legal writing, and federal litigation. Legal education in US normally proceeds along the following route. First, there will be an undergraduate education of usually of 4 years, then a law school usually of 3 years, then admission to the bar usually by taking state bar exam. Then there will be legal practice. Then a number of law students apply for optional judicial clerkship. Then once a student has graduated from law school, or he is expected to pursue admission to the bar in order to practice. Requirement for membership in the bar may vary across US. In almost every state, the only way to be admitted to the bar is to pass a written examination. Then coming to legal education in United Kingdom. Legal education in UK is divided between common law system of England and Wales and Northern Ireland, and that is Scotland, which uses a hybrid of common law and civil law. Requirements for becoming a lawyer in England and Wales and in Northern Ireland differ slightly depending on whether the individual plans to become a solicitor or barrister. All prospective lawyers must first, however, possess qualifying law degree or have completed a conversion course. Following graduation, the path toward qualification as a solicitor or a barrister diverge. Prospective solicitors must enroll as a student member and take a 1-year course called legal practice course. It is usually followed by 2 years apprenticeship known as training contract. Prospective barristers must first apply to join one of the 4 Inns of Court and then complete the 1-year bar professional training course. And it should be followed by a 1-year training in a set of barristers' chambers known as pupillage. In England and Wales, law can be studied as an undergraduate degree or in a graduate diploma in law where students complete the common professional examination. After obtaining the degree, which is necessary to complete certain vocational courses and to serve a period on the job, a period of job training before one is able to qualify to practice as a barrister, legal executive, or solicitor. Bar professional training course is regarded as one of the hardest degrees, and presently it is the most expensive law related degree. Then coming to legal education system in Australia. In Australia, most universities offer law as an undergraduate entry course, that is LLB, and this should be of a 4-year course, or or as a combined degree course, that is BAc LLB, BCom LLB, BA LLB, BE LLB, etc. And these courses are of 5 to 6 years duration. Some of these also offer a 3-year postgraduate Juris Doctor or JD program. In 2008, University of Melbourne introduced the Melbourne model, whereby law is only available as a graduate degree, with students having to have completed a 3-year bachelor's degree before being eligible. Students in combined degree programs would spend the first 3 years completing their first bachelor's degree together with some preliminary law subjects, and then spend last 2-3 years completing the law degree, that is JD. Alternatively, one can finish any bachelor's degree, and providing their academic results are high, they can apply for graduate entry into 3-year LLB program. Now we can discuss the legal education system in other Asian countries. In Hong Kong, law can be studied as a 4-year undergraduate degree, Bachelor of Laws, a 2-year postgraduate degree or Juris Doctor, or the common professional examination conversion course for non-law graduates. One must then pass the 1-year postgraduate certificate in laws, currently offered at the University of Hong Kong, Chinese University of Hong Kong, and City University of Hong Kong. Before starting vocational training, a year's pupillage for barristers, or a 2-year training contract for solicitors. The move to a 4-year LLB was recent, and in the case of Hong Kong University was aimed at shifting some of the more theoretical aspects of the Hong Kong University into LLB, leaving more room for practical instruction. Legal education in the Philippines normally proceeds along the following route: undergraduate education usually 4 years, law school usually 4 years, admission to the bar usually by taking a Philippine bar exam, then legal practice and mandatory continuing of legal education. Then coming to legal education in Sri Lanka, in order to practice law in Sri Lanka, lawyer must be admitted, enrolled as attorney at law. To be admitted to the bar, a law student must complete law exams held by Sri Lankan Law College and undergo a 6-month period of apprenticeship under a senior practicing lawyer. There are 2 routes taken by students. Those who have gained a law degree in LLB are given direct entry to undertake law exams at the Sri Lanka Law College. Those who don't hold a law degree could gain entrance to Sri Lanka Law College via a competitive entrance exam to study law and prepare for the law exams. Then now we can discuss the legal education in European countries. First, we can discuss Russia and Ukraine. In Russia, law degree, that is juris, often compared to an LLM, but in fact equivalent to degree or specialist specific to the Soviet educational system, is awarded in Russia and Ukraine after 5 years study at a university. Juris degree may be awarded in a short period of time if a law student has already completed a bachelor or specialist degree in another field of study, or has previously earned a basic law degree from a specialized law college. Bachelor of Juris degree may be earned concurrently with another bachelor's or master's degree in some universities. Note that this fused one degree educational scheme has coexisted with the 2-degree scheme since Russia and Ukraine launched their higher education reforms to bring the domestic educational systems in closer compliance with the Bologna Accords. The latest educational reforms created new system where 4-year law program is offered at the university for earning bachelor's degree and 5-year law program is offered for master's degree. The degree of specialist is no longer awarded and is renamed into master's degree. The legal education system in India, the Bar Council of India prescribed the and supervise the standard of legal education in India. Law degrees in India are granted and conferred in terms of Advocates Act 1961, which is a law passed by the Parliament both on the aspect of legal education and also regulation of conduct of legal professionals. Various regional universities or specialized national law universities offer law graduate degree through various law schools. In India, law can be studied as LLB, that is Bachelor of Law, a 3-year graduate degree after completion of bachelor's degree. Alternately, the standard 12-1 can join and integrate a 5-year law course and provides option to avail BLLB or BBLLB or BSc LLB. In India, applied legal education for specific branches of law is also offered, such as business law, human resource and labor laws, property laws, family laws, human rights and legal awareness, taxation, and many. These are the main types of legal education prevailing in various countries.